Oh, hi there. In the middle of doing these ball joints, you know, you're going to take your caliper off. You're going to hang it. Typical. You do the same thing if you were doing a brake job. You look over. You see this swollen hose right here? Yeah.
Oh my God.
That is what can happen. This is why we have state inspections. Everybody gets pissed off because Virginia is kind of tight on their state inspections. This would be the reason why.
The brake hose just fell off, people. He just ripped off a hydraulic brake hose by hand. And you can probably do the same thing to the other side.
Yeah, you know what?
Let's try it.
Let's go around to the other side.
Sorry, shop's a little messy right now. That's what happens when you get shit done.
Yeah, you know. Stop cussing.
My bad, my bad, my bad.
We're going to go ahead and just
Look, it's the same thing.
twist.
Look, he's taking his bare hands. Ooh, here's the crunchy.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, it's crunchy.
There it is.
Jesus, look at that hand. Hold on, look at that hand. Just ripped right off the end of that. And you know what? They didn't come in here for a brake hose, brother. They came in here for a lot of other stuff.
Yeah.
This is what happens. This is why there's Virginia State inspections, people.
Shocks, ball joints, and some other stuff, but nothing to do with these brake hoses at all. Guys, pay attention to the little stuff like this. This is what saves lives right here.
Absolutely.
All right?
Thank you, Matt.
Much love.